Two-factor authentication, not working on Roofstock App Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the Roofstock app, don't stress, it's a common problem with a few simple fixes. The surprising truth is, most failures happen because of tiny mismatches or outdated app versions, not because Roofstock's system is down. Start by checking your phone's date and time settings. Two-factor authentication codes are time-based, and even a small difference between your device and Roofstock servers can make your code invalid. Turn on Set automatically in your settings and make sure your time zone is correct. Next, check for updates to the Roofstock app in your App Store. Outdated versions can cause security sync problems. Once you update, close and reopen the app before trying again. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and tap Sync Time for codes. This aligns your authenticator with Roofstock system so your codes generate correctly. If you receive codes by text but they're not showing up, turn off your PIN and switch to mobile data. Some Wi-Fi networks and FBINs block automated messages from financial apps. If you've recently switched phones or reinstalled your authenticator, tap Can't Access Two-Factor Authentication on the login screen. Roofstock support can verify your identity and help you reset for access securely. And if the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the Roofstock app to clear out cached data or old settings. After syncing your device and updating your app, your phone should start working again. Remember, this extra security step might seem annoying, but it's your best defense against hackers trying to access your real estate investments or personal information.